So in today's video, we're going to take a look at the euro against the Canadian dollar on the daily chart. We've got an opportunity setting up for tonight. That's the 7th of February. It may end up not triggering. We'll have to see how it comes this evening. But just want to have a quick video of it now before I run out of time and whatever else it may be. But what we've got here is, so EURCAD daily chart over the last few weeks or so, and very much a downtrend. You can see that depicted by the arrow pointing down here, which means that we have a bias, we're favoring short trades. Okay, that's the longer term direction of the market, and really that's referencing the monthly chart there. So what that means is, as a new trader, you're going to be focusing on trades in that direction. It is a safer play. You can take buy trades, don't get me wrong, and we'll teach you how to do that, but you have to be selective about that. You need that additional element of context. So in other words, if we look at this sell trade here, this is a sell sniper with the longer term downtrend of the market. So the context is it's in a downtrending market. Other forms of context could be it's against the trend, but it's bouncing off support, or the chart patterns are right. And we talk about those sorts of elements in other videos. As an example here, you could say, look, that you likely, because it's a downtrend, a strong downtrend, you're likely to see small bounces followed by big waves back down again. Small bounce, another move down to new lows, and so on. That's what we'd expect to see on a downtrending market. So there's nothing unusual about this. So I'm looking, makes it look like I'm showing a lot of losing trades. They're not losing trades because we wouldn't have taken them in the first place. Do you see? Interestingly, there is an opportunity here to buy as we start to see a different pattern. You see the fact that we had a higher low, we had a higher high. You're starting to see a different chart pattern come in. The market then comes down, gives us the buy, and that actually then results in a nice positive winner. And that's a trade that a lot of our clients, a lot of our trainees would have got on because the context was there, the reasons to trade were there. Now, I'm not digressing from my point really, is that we've got a potential sell trade. We're going to have a look at it tonight. We're going to maybe take that as an opportunity if it still meets the criteria, and then we'll tune in a few days' time for part 2 of this video and see how we got in. Did it hit target? Did it hit stop? And we'll talk about how we manage that trade as well. So very fixed, very rules-based, and we'll talk about that. The ultimate target, of course, is back down to the bottom of this sort of price channel, around that sort of 143.70 area. It might take a couple of movements to do it. So initially, we'll be looking for the target of around about the same size as the stop loss distance. How big will that be? We'll have to see in due course, won't we? Because the trade's not ready yet. Anyway, tune in for part 2 in a few days' time. Catch you soon.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.